Presented by Brothers Truck Parts. Here's HE&M Solves Project Hudson Hornet.
Well, it's time to tackle the interior of this Hudson. And this is where you guys want to make a decision on what kind of a restoration you want to do, whether it's a concourse or it's going to be a driver. In our case, we're going to be a driver. But it's always cool to go in something this old and look for something like this. This was sitting on the floorboard. This is the original Hudson Mechanical Procedure Manual. All right. We've got this white triangle news from 2003. And what do you got?
Yeah, this is a road atlas. Back in the day, we didn't have GPS systems, so it's road atlases. And I live in Tulsa, which was great. I took a look in here, and you can barely see Tulsa. So I would imagine this has to be every bit of 40-plus years old.
That is very cool. Okay, first we're going to start by taking the cushion off of our seat. That's going to expose the foundation of the seat. Then we can start tearing it apart.
Got it?
Oh, check that out. What is that? Look at this. Underneath the seat cushion is the Hudson Owner's Manual, what you would normally find today in the glove box. And then we've got this Phillips 66 lubrication guide. Look at the handle. How cool is that? All right, and it's got everything inside for you to be able to find all the lube points and do general maintenance on your Hudson. That is cool. And this is from Phillips 66. You don't even see this kind of stuff anymore. All right, so once again, you guys want to make sure you bag your hardware. This seat happens to use shims to get the angle correct, and those shims go on top of these bases, and the bracket bolts on top of that. So you want to save all of these, making sure that you save them left to right so you know which shims go where. Put them in separate bags. Passenger seat, this takes 1 minute to do and saves you a ton of time on reassembly. Okay, so the bottom cushion is just gonna come right out, Doug.
Yeah, it should pop up and come out. There we go, just like that. And it's amazing, we take the back piece out and I found the fender skirts.
I ain't got all this room in the shop for what you have in the trunk, okay?
Sam, I'm absolutely amazed at the condition of this interior.
It really is amazing. It is completely intact. I'm not seeing any rust. Hardware came off, no problem.
Absolutely.
All we got to do now is continue on with the teardown of our interior. We're going to go ahead and remove the quarter panels, the door panels. We're going to take the trim off around the rear quarter glass to get the guy ready to do the headliner, and then we're going to address the floor as well.
Sounds like a plan.